All right. Let's go secant negative 315. Okay, so we need to realize what this is. If it's a 315, I know that that's a 45-degree reference angle. Okay? How do I know that that's a 45-degree reference angle? Right?
If you add 45 to 315, it's 36.
Boom. So we know this is a 45-45, right? Which means that with our 45-45, when this is 1, we had the square root of 2 over 2 and the square root of 2 over 2. That means this is the square root of 2 over 2, and this is the square root of 2 over 2, and this is 1. Is that correct? Because that's a positive, positive, and that's always positive. So, to find the secant, right? Secant of theta equals what? Secant be a ho, so it's a ha. Okay? So that means I'm looking for the H and the A. So that means it's 1 over the square root of 2 over 2. So we flip that. So that is the square root, or that is 2 over the square root of 2. Okay? And I can't have the square root of 2 in the bottom, right? So I bring it up, but I leave what's in it down below, so it goes down below. But that cancels. So secant of theta, or in this case, secant of negative 315 is equal to the square root of 2. Okay? And that goes with that unit circle we've been working on. Okay? Now, this one, this is in radians. Okay? So if it's 3, 6, right? I know right away it's going to be 30, 60. Okay? If it's 4, I know right away it's 45. Okay? So I need to figure out 16 times around when I have 6. Okay? Or in this case, 3. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right?
Right.
13, 14, 15, 16. So there's only one more 60-degree angle right there. Because it's 60, 60, 60. So that means that this is 60 degrees. Does that make sense? Okay? So it's a reference angle. The other thing we need to know, okay, is that this is negative. So if we're talking about our 30, 60, 90, right? That's our 30, 60, 90, 30, 60. So what we're really talking about is 60 being here, correct? So if this is 1, this is 1/2, and this is square root of 3 over 2. So what that means is this is the square root of 3 over 2, this is 1, and this is 1/2. Now they're asking for, I didn't write it, for 29, they're asking for sine theta. Okay? So the sine theta is equal to so O over H. My opposite, right? My hypotenuse. So I have my opposite is the square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1. Well, that was kind of easy, right? So that means that the sine of 16 pi over 3 is equal to the square root of 3 over 2. And we didn't need our calculator. That's straight from the unit circle. Okay? Alright, so this one, this is in 4 pieces. If it's in 4 pieces, what do I know that it is?
45.
45. So I know this has to be 45, right? So I'm dealing with the 45, 45, so it's this same one. So I know that this is negative square root 2 over 2. This is positive square root 2 over 2. And this is still 1, right? Okay? And so I'm talking about a sine, which is so, right? So the opposite over the hypotenuse. So square root of 2 over 2 over 1. Correct? So that means that the sine of 11 pi over 4 is equal to the square root of 2 over 2. Pretty easy? Kinda? A little bit?
Sure, what
I went fast. Questions on that one though, on those three? Because I knew you guys are almost out of time.
Can you do 2 more?
Yeah.
You,
Sure.
you never mind, you got 2 minutes now.